Guys, back on my run, and I want to take 2 minutes of yours and just talk about something really important. And I think most of the businesses, at least the business that I've worked with, over 80% of businesses totally miss this point. And this is such a fundamental point about marketing and advertising your business. And that comes down to the foundation of marketing. Before you start marketing, have you really spent time creating the foundation for your marketing? And there are three main aspects to this. One is really understanding the context, which is your competition. The second one is understanding it's part of the context, which is your target audience. And the third one is understanding your own unique points. And a lot of people have their USPs and unique points, but really don't hone in on the target audience and don't hone in on the competition that they have, and really take the juicy information that's out there for their own benefit, and it just makes marketeers' life, the marketer that you're gonna hire, it just make that person's life really difficult, because there's lack of clarity across. That person does not know what's your brand voice. Sure, you've got your designing and branding great done, but what's your brand voice? What kind of words should you be using and should you not be using? Just really focusing on that, and focusing on where's the market gap, understanding that. So I know I'm just repeating this over and over again, but really important stuff. And I think I've spent way too much time creating the competition research for my guide that I'm making for restaurants, and I'm right now working on user persona and user user journey. And I'm spending slightly over than what I should be, and I'm happy doing that, because I want to change that for myself, and I want to encourage businesses to change that. So you don't have to spend that much time on it, but really understanding that clearly and giving that knowledge to your marketer or your agency can really go a long way. So encouraging everyone to build your foundation for marketing before you start putting your money into it, because your money matters, and I know what it means to lose a bunch of money when running ads. So hope this makes sense to you. Have a very good day. Bye-bye.